kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican style jerk chicken tortilla. Yes, I'm telling you guys, this recipe is gonna be super delicious. Your family, your friend, everybody are gonna enjoy it. Yes, don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up and please share. Guys, if you share my videos, that means my channel grow. So please continue to share my video. I really appreciate it. I work very hard just to get this video for you all, and I thank you all so much in advance, and stay tuned for the video. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So it is from John 15 verse 7. It said, "If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you." Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by it. I love you, but remember that Jesus Christ loves you so much. Stay blessed guys. These are just some of my ingredients. I'm gonna show you all my season first. So here I have 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, and I also have 1 teaspoon of onion and salt seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder. This is my wet jerk marinade. I have a video on my channel on how I make it, but this one is the bottle one, okay? Also I have 1 tablespoon of my olive oil, some browning, and this is what gonna give the chicken a nice brown color. If you don't have browning, you use dark soya. If I have some onion right here that I cut just a little bit. Also I have some sweet pepper. I have the yellow, the red, and the green, and this is off, and this is how I cut it, okay? Yeah. And I'm using chicken breast. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flatten my chicken breast so it cook evenly, just like so. Then I'm gonna use one of these food hammer and just smash it. So you see that? Perfect. So I'm just gonna do the remaining one, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my chicken breast. So it's already washed and clean in some lemon juice. So I'm gonna firstly add some olive oil, and this is just gonna keep it nice and moist. And I'm also gonna add my wet jerk seasoning, and you don't need a lot guys, you only need at least 1 tablespoon. My browning, and my seasoning. You can just mix it a bit and just add it on. So now I'm gonna take my nice cleaner and just massage it, massage all those seasoning all over. Have a nice color. So guys, as you can see, it is nicely seasoning. It look good already. Perfect. You can leave it to marinate for at least 20 minutes or so. But as I said, once you season your chicken, your meat properly, it will still be delicious. Yeah. So guys, this is my tortilla. You can use whichever one you have. Guys, my oil is now heat up. I add my pot to my stove as you can see. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So I add at least 3 tablespoons of my olive oil to my pot, and I'm gonna fry my chicken breast for at least 4 minutes on each side, okay? So guys, now I'm gonna turn it over. Nice and brown. So guys, now I'm gonna remove my chicken. It looks super delicious. So guys, in this glass bowl right here, I've got at least 2 tablespoons of my ketchup. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some warm water to it, at least half cup, just like so. Gonna give it a stir. Then I have some remaining seasoning leave back, and I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning that I have leave back. Then I'm also gonna add some honey, at least 2 tablespoons of honey. So guys, my chicken, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it up. Guys, it is so juicy. This chicken breast is so juicy, trust me. Just gonna basically cut it like so.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So guys, what I'm gonna do, my sweet pepper, I'm just gonna add them to my pot, just like so. Then I'm also gonna add my onions. Give it a stir. Just gonna leave it for at least 15 seconds. So now guys, I'm gonna add that sauce. I'm gonna also add some of my dark soya sauce, at least 1 tablespoon. Give it a stir. This looks so good. I'm gonna add my chicken. I'm gonna mix it in. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute, okay? And my stove is gonna be on a medium to high heat. So guys, it is all finished. Perfect. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just a drop of my olive oil to my pan right here, because I'm gonna add my tortilla. I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush it. And now I'm gonna add my tortilla. Make sure your stove is turned on. I'm gonna add just a bit of my cheese. And now I'm gonna add my jerk chicken filling. Look at that, guys, absolutely delicious. Take your time. I'm gonna add just a bit more of my onion. Just a bit of my tomato. I'm gonna take my time and just
subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms.
just press it down. And what you can do, guys, some of the gravy from your pan, you can just add some of it on the tortilla, just like so. You know, just brush it across, turn it over, and remove it and put it to my plate. So guys, my jerk chicken taco is all finished, and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. You're gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I'm telling you, it is super delicious. It looks so yummy. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. Super yummy. So nice and so flavorful.
Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it.
I'm just gonna cut into it and show you guys and how it look.
You can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm telling you, it looks super delicious. It is cooked to perfection. The chicken is so nice and juicy. Guys, trust me, this right here is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for more amazing delicious recipes like these. Bye guys.